Morning guys, today I introduce you our 750 subwoofer amplifier, 750 watt of power. On this side you can see the power supply, 35 square millimeters, and the speaker connect not less than 1 ohm. On the other side we have the double LED for the protection and the power, the jack for the remote control, double RCA for the input and the link to an equal amplifier. Here we have the gain control, the low pass filter, subsonic, and the bass boost control. You can find it on the website with the data sheet, and it will be shipped with the remote control and the screw for the mounting.